It should hurt so much to breathe underwater, but you can. When the sun hits the water and you're underwater and you see the way the light refracts and it creates these amazing patterns on the wall, on the ocean floor. It's like a dance of light crisscrossing. It's like the universe is trying to communicate with you through light. It's like it's trying to speak an extinct language. It's almost like Morse code through light and the movement of water. And the way the light hits the water and the way the water is moving, and it's translucent and clear and chooses to refract, and it creates this soothing dance. And you're sinking deeper and deeper. You're sinking deeper and deeper, but you don't panic and you don't know fear. And even without breathing apparatus, you can breathe underwater.